Hey everyone, Phil Pendlebury here, and I hope you're having a super mega large day. So here we are in Cubase 14, and I'd like to show you a little tool I've made that some of you might find useful. It's my Cubase Nuendo Workspace Persistence Editor. This tool is aimed at people who use Workspaces regularly and find it sometimes a little frustrating. Let me give you an example. So here we have a few workspaces. That's my standard one with the mixer at the bottom. And let's say we've been editing around a little bit and we've zoomed in, and then I go back to that workspace, and you'll see that what it does is it resets the zoom value. Okay, so let's give another scenario. We're looking at the full screen and we've zoomed in a long way because we want to finally edit something here. And then we want to switch back to our other workspace, and you'll see once again that the whole thing immediately zooms back to the zoom value that we had it previously. So what I've done is I've made a little tool that enables you to edit the persistence of this and other things, but we won't get into that right now. So how do we do this? Well, the first thing we're going to do is go back to one of our normal workspaces. So let's go to the full screen version, and we'll just save that as it is. But what we'll do is we'll also add another version, and we'll call it PAP full screen, no persistence. And there we have it. So at the moment, of course, that is persistent. It doesn't make any difference which way around we do it. It will still restore to the zoom factor that we had when we saved the workspace. So if I zoom like this and click it again, it'll zoom back again. What we want to do is we want to make that version ignore the zoom factor. So first thing we need to do is close Cubase Nuendo, because using this tool will not work if Cubase and Nuendo are still open, because when Cubase or Nuendo closes, they will overwrite any changes that you make. So let's bring up the tool, and you can see we've got Cubase 14 selected. There's a drop-down list there which enables you to select any of the applications that you have. And here we can see the different workspaces. And you can see full screen, no persistence. That's the one that I made just now. All we need to do is look for this value under P-Arrange window, which is the project window, and the persistence value is set to 1 at the moment, which is the standard thing. And all we need to do is change that to 0. We'll click Save, and you'll immediately also get a backup on the desktop, or if you would like to back up next to your original file, you can uncheck this option here. And that's that. So we'll close the application and we'll reopen Cubase. And let's use my mixer not persistent. You'll see that the zoom factor stays as it is. We'll go like this, and we'll go full screen, no persistence, and you'll see the zoom factor stays as it is. So that's it. Hope you enjoy the tool. It's available for download and it doesn't cost anything. If you want to give a small donation, you're welcome to do that. Thanks for watching.